Whether it's vertical construction or horizontal, we're passionate about. We've been delivering into that industry for well over a decade. I've been involved in the industry for over 20 years.
Our model puts leadership at the centre of any business, and then it's about how do you build clarity of direction, i.e. strategy, culture, and then disciplined execution, i.e. getting shit done around the outside of that leadership. But we see leadership as the core component.
We help companies get really clear around their strategic plan, so vision and strategy for the future. Second thing we do, which is core business, is around strategy execution, which is the hard bit. And then the third piece is around executive leadership, coaching and development. We look out to Horizon 3, so pushing a company 10 years out, which is really challenging. And then of course working your way back, well, what do you execute first?
And then it's about building out some of the things that help implement strategy into daily business and keep getting people connected to it and making things happen.
As someone with a military background, it's a very similar culture. These are good practical leaders that are out working in the environment and the weather conditions. And the projects they're doing are complex. They're complex in terms of the commercials around them, and they're complex in terms of the technical work and the compliance they've got to achieve. And so the leaders out there tend to be good, practical people, and they're required to lead very diverse teams, all sorts of different trades, all sorts of different backgrounds. It fits our style of work because they're seeking to influence and lead in better ways every year. I think if there's one pattern we've seen over time is just the increasing compliance, the increasing expectation, and of course the challenge of delivering a profitable project as well as a safe one is just lifting year on year.
Yeah, so we started dealing with Pivot Pace just on 5 years ago. They are my strategy execution accountability partner. So they hold me accountable to our strategy execution, and they also support me with monthly catch-ups, holding me accountable and my team accountable to our strategic vision.
I undertook a Pivot and Pace leadership course. I picked up some of the most valuable tools to not only lead the people around me, but myself, how to better myself as a general manager of the business and how to get better results out of my team.
It's hugely rewarding to see a business leader or our business go on the journey that they defined for themselves, go beyond what they thought might have been possible.
How do you get ahead of change? How do you think in different ways, try new things? That's the challenge. That's what drives us.